cast iron pan, huh?
Yeah.
These are chunks of bacon on there. John cooked up how many pounds of bacon, John?
16.
16 pounds.
And they ate it like it was nothing. They ate it enough.
You shake them in there?
Yep, shake it right in that.
There's the meat. So these here are some bass and...
Yep, this is all smallmouth bass here. These are perch flakes there.
Nice. They look like paradise over here. Beautiful. Just beautiful.
Got white feet. White feet, you got the white red. Now the other one is the red. Oh, he's got little touches of it there.
Yeah, I can see it more.
Yeah, that's all you can see on the board. Oliver will look at you, don't even know he's looking unless you see the white. So we'll go down Monday. It's down by Utica, Rome, between the two of them. Okay. Out in the country, they got a log cabin like I do, and they live in the woods. I'll do this pan and that'll be it.
Yeah.
I don't think
Cook them babies crispy.
Okay.
What's your son's name that got the big one?
Drew.
Drew? Yeah. Got the biggest one? I don't know. I'm gonna say yes. Yeah. Dave cleaned all fish. You clean any one bigger than that one?
I had a 17.5-inch bass, yours was 18.
Yeah. There you go. That's where the sun's from.
Yeah, and the boy on my boat got
Didn't lack of that. I've actually finished 2.
Yeah, yours, I believe, I didn't see anything bigger. You had the biggest smallmouth.
He was not.
That's what it's all about. And little Ray on my boat got that.
He had the biggest bite.
He had a northern, it was 9 pounds.
And I like the light blue trailer.
Oh yeah. On a perch minnow.
I do, and they live in the woods.